So sweet.
You are so sweet.
That is so sweet.
Oh, Zach, that's so sweet.
Oh my God, that is so sweet of you to say. That was so sweet of you. You guys are so sweet.
That's so sweet. Two agents in love.
Yeah.
Your family? That is so sweet.
Oh, darling, that's so sweet.
So sweet.
Oh! What? Topper. That's so sweet.
That is so sweet, Lloyd.
Oh, Scarlett, you're so sweet to worry about Ashley like this for me.
That is so sweet.
I got you a little something.
Dale, that's so sweet. You didn't have to do that.
I know, I wanted to.
Precious child. So sweet. So full of hope and wonder.
Hi.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Oh, just greening things up a bit.
That's so sweet.
Take a look at this.
So sweet, Wally. Very sweet.
That's so sweet. Sweetest. Thank you.
It's okay.
Can't you forgive Fredo? He's so sweet and helpless without you.
You are our family, and I don't see how anyone can love us better.